elected as the new president, I wanted right away to decline the nomination, but it was so fast. Before I could say any word, the election was over. I was already elected. And for that gesture, I'd like to say thank you for your trust and confidence. I had in my mind at that moment, being a president is a new challenge in my life. I have not stayed long in the organization, but at least I know what it means to be a member, much more a president of the organization. I have watched women in our church who are CWLers, and they are happy doing the task for which the CWL stands for: charity, work, and loyalty. Charity is not only alms giving, it implies love and goodwill to our fellow men. Charity, says the maxim, begins at home, and it follows whenever a CWLer steps out of our home. We are models of Christian love.